Hello students, welcome to another session of NTSE question and answers. I am Ashwin Joglekar from Resonance PCCP division. So today we are here with climate chapter, and the first question is, which part of India does not receive rainfall during rainy season? Options are, this is a question from Karnataka NTSE stage 1 2013. Options are Punjab, Tamil Nadu, Northern Plain and Thar Desert. Now first of all, we have to know which part is not receiving rainfall during the rainy season. Now, rainy season is your southwest monsoon. So, answer is B. Tamil Nadu does not receive rainfall during the rainy season. So, option number B here. Moving on to the next question. Which one of the following causes rainfall during winter in the northwestern part of India? Now, this is from Chandigarh NTSE stage 1 2013 question. Options given are cyclonic depression, western disturbances, retreating monsoon and southwest monsoon. Now, which one of the following causes rainfall during winter? First thing, in the northwestern part of India. So, in this the answer would be option number B, that is western cyclonic disturbances. Now, as we know, western cyclonic disturbances which originate in the Mediterranean region and then they are carried over by the westerly flow are the reason that why during the winter months the rainfall is received in India, and it is also locally known as Mahavat or Mahavat. Okay, so option number B is the correct answer. Now, moving on to the next question. El Nino Adi. Now, El Nino options given are cold ocean current, warm ocean current, trade winds and northeastern winds. This question was from again Chandigarh NTSE stage 1 2013. Now, the correct answer is El Nino is a temporary change in the cold Peruvian current which flows through the coast of Peru, and it is replaced by a warm ocean current. So, option number B would be the correct answer here, that is El Nino Adi, warm ocean current. Moving on to our next question. The southwest monsoon start retreating from north to south in winter in India. The phenomena involved in this is, now this is from Karnataka NTSE stage 1 2013. Options provided are winds blow from hot regions to cold regions, monsoons always move downwards, winds blow from a high pressure area to a low pressure area, or winds blow from a low pressure area to a high pressure area. Now, this this should not be here. So, winds blow from a low pressure area to a high pressure area. Now, the correct answer here would be, that is first of all we have to understand what the question says. The southwest monsoon, also known as the advancing monsoons, they start retreating from north to south in the winter in India. The phenomena involved is here would be winds blow from a high pressure area to a low pressure area. Now, as we know, during the winter months the pressure conditions over India changes and a low pressure area is created in the Bay of Bengal region, and there is a seasonal reversal of the wind system. So, option number C here would be the correct answer, that is winds blow from a high pressure area to a low pressure area. Moving on to our next question. Mango showers are, this is from Rajasthan NTSE stage 1 2014. Western disturbances in Punjab and Himachal Pradesh, rainfall by northeast trade winds in coastal Tamil Nadu, or pre-monsoon rains in Kerala and Karnataka, or cloud burst in Khasi Hills. So, now this is again as it is given in the NCERT textbooks of class 9th, that is mango showers are the pre-monsoon rains in Kerala and Karnataka which help in the early ripening of this of the mangoes. So, option number C would be the correct answer here. Let us move on to the next question. Monsoon arrives in India approximately in Chhattisgarh NTSE stage 1 2014. Now, options provided here are early May, early June, early July or early August. Now, correct answer here is early June is when the monsoon arrives in India approximately. So, option number B will be the correct answer here. Moving on to the next question. The lines joining the places with equal temperature are known as Chandigarh NTSE stage 1 2014. Isobars, contours, isotherms or isohalines. Now, isobars are lines on a map which are joining the having the same pressures. Contours are again representing your mountains and other slopes or plains region. The correct answer here is isotherms, that is the lines joining the places with equal temperature are isotherms, and isohalines are with equal salinity in oceans, the lines joining with places having the equal salinity. So, option number C here will be the correct answer. Moving on to the next question. The clouds float in the atmosphere because of their low temperature, velocity, pressure or density. The correct answer here is the clouds, they float because of their low density, and this is from Haryana NTSE stage 1 2015. So, correct answer here is option number D. Moving on to the next question. Which one is not a fact regarding climate of South India? Now, out of these 4 facts which are given, which one of the following is not a fact regarding South India? Haryana NTSE stage 1 2013-14 question. Heterogeneous climatic conditions are found. Diurnal range of temperature is less. Annual range of temperature is less. Temperatures are high throughout the year. Now, if you will see here, option number B, option number C and option number D are all correct regarding the climate of South India. These all are 3 statements are correct. Only this one is not correct, that is heterogeneous climatic conditions are found. So, option number A here will be our correct answer for question number 9th. Okay, moving on to the next question. Which force is responsible for deflecting winds towards the right direction in the northern hemisphere, and if you want to add further, towards the left in the southern hemisphere? Now, as we know, Coriolis force is the force which is responsible for deflecting winds towards the right direction in the northern hemisphere. So, option number A here will be the correct answer, Coriolis force. Moving on to the next question, that is the main cause of existence of rain shadow region or area on the leeward side of Western Ghat of India is. Now, main cause of existence of rain shadow. Now, if you see, this is a mountain. Now, if the winds are blowing this in this direction, this is the windward side and this area becomes the leeward side. Now, out of the options provided here, increasing temperature, scattered vegetation, increasing humidity or increasing atmospheric pressure. Now, which of the following is the main cause of existence of this rain shadow area on the leeward side of Western Ghats? Option number B here will be the correct answer of question number 11, and this is from your NTSE stage 1 Haryana question. Okay. Moving on to the next question. Stalagmite and stalactite caves are located in. Now, this is again given in your NCERT textbooks. The correct answer is Mausin Ram. Mausin Ram also is the place where the highest rainfall in the world is received. So, correct answer is option number A, and this was in Rajasthan NTSE stage 1 2016 paper. Okay. So, moving on to the next question now. Which of the following coast receives rainfall during winter? Now, as we know, the retreating monsoons are responsible for rainfall in the area of Tamil Nadu. Now, this was also a question once even in one of the Rajasthan NTSE stage 1 paper. Here this question is from Andhra Pradesh NTSE stage 1 2015. Now, the areas mentioned are Konkan coast, Malabar coast, Coromandel coast or none of the above. Now, as we know, if I roughly draw a map of India here, so we have the Coromandel coast here, and then we have a Konkan coast here and Malabar coast roughly here. Okay, this is some Kannada plain. This is the Kannada plain. Now, this region receives the rainfall during the winter months by the retreating monsoon. So, that is option number C here will be the correct answer, that is Coromandel coast. Moving on to the next question. I stay over the equatorial region due to high temperature. Now, first condition given is I am staying at the equatorial region due to high temperature, continuous ascent of air is common, that is the vertical rise of air is common, no horizontal flow of air is found. Who am I? Now, this question was from West Bengal NTSE stage 1 2016. Options mentioned are Coriolis force, horse latitude, geostrophic winds or doldrums. The correct answer here is doldrums. Now, doldrums, as we know, are located between 10 degree north and 10 degree south, and here because of the intense heat of the sun, the air gets evaporated very fast, and therefore there is a continuous ascent of air that is vertically, and the horizontal distribution of air is very less, or no horizontal flow of air is found. So, correct answer here is, that is option number D, doldrums. Now, moving on to our next question. Which causes rainfall on the coastal areas of Tamil Nadu in the beginning of winter? Now, which of these rainfall causes, which of these reasons or causes rainfall on the coastal areas of Tamil Nadu in the beginning of winters? This is from Delhi NTSE stage 1 question. We just a while back did the similar question. Options given are southwest monsoon, temperate cyclones, northeast monsoon, or local air circulation. Now, correct answer here is option number C, that is northeast monsoon, which are also known as the retreating monsoon, are the reason for the rainfall in the coastal areas of Tamil Nadu or that Coromandel coast. Moving on to the next question. In India, agriculture depends on. Now, this is from MP Madhya Pradesh NTSE stage 1 2015. Does it depend on technology, monsoon, government policy, or all of these? The correct answer here would be, in India, agriculture mainly depends on monsoon. Alright, many of the people, those who are involved in agriculture, depend on monsoon for the proper arrival of monsoon, so that they could practice their cultivation practices. Moving on to the next question, that is, which one of the following is the characteristic of cold weather season in India? Now, out of these, which of the following is a characteristic of a cold weather season? And this is from Rajasthan NTSE stage 1 2017. Warm days and warm nights, cold days and cold nights, warm days and cold nights, or cold days and warm nights. Now, out of this, correct answer would be option number C, that is, during the times of winter in India, and we experiences warm days and cold nights. So, option number C will be the correct answer. Now, moving on to the next question, that is, the line joining places of equal atmospheric pressure is termed or turned contour, isoheight, isotherm, or isobar. Now, of equal atmospheric pressure is mentioned. Now, contour are again lines on the map showing similar slopes. Isoheight again is related to rainfall, isotherm is related to your temperature, and isobar is related to your pressure, atmospheric pressure. So, option number D will be the correct answer of this question, and this is from Chhattisgarh NTSE stage 1 2018. Now, moving on to the next question, the Coriolis force is caused due to either the wind movement, earth rotation, cyclonic depression, or jet streams. Now, as we know, Coriolis force is caused due to the earth rotation. So, option number B will be the correct answer here, and it is from Delhi NTSE stage 1 2018 question paper. Moving on to the next question, the quantity of rainfall received on the Western Ghats by southwest monsoon. Now, even Western Ghats is one of the regions which receives the highest rainfall in India. Okay, so out of these options given, 100 to 150 centimeter, 150 to 200 centimeter, 200 to 250 centimeter, and D about 250 centimeter. Now, this question is from Rajasthan NTSE stage 1 2018. The correct answer is option number D, that is about 250 centimeter. Okay. Now, next question here is, in the given diagram, which alphabet indicates the rain shadow area? Maharashtra NTSE stage 1 2018. Now, in this figure, now here some points are mentioned, A, B, C, and D. Now, what does D represent, or probably which alphabet indicates the rain shadow area? The correct answer here is D, that is, D represents the rain shadow area. This is the windward side and this is the leeward side, and leeward side is where there is less amount of rainfall received. So, option number D, that is D, will be the answer here.